Imagine walking into your local supermarket. You see bright red strawberries, glossy, plump, and perfect. Just hours ago, those berries were still on the plant. California's strawberry farms make this possible. Every day, millions of strawberries travel from fields to store shelves at lightning speed. The process starts very early. Skilled pickers move through long green rows before the sun gets too hot. They place the ripest berries into crates, careful not to bruise the delicate fruit. Trucks rush these crates to cooling facilities. The berries are chilled, sorted, and packed within hours. Next, refrigerated trucks whisk them away. Supermarkets across the nation unpack the strawberries, still fresh, juicy, and ready to eat. That's how you get that amazing burst of flavor, straight from the farm. California grows nearly 90% of America's strawberries. That's right, almost every strawberry you see in grocery stores, farmers markets, or even in your favorite desserts likely started its journey in the Golden State. The sheer scale of strawberry farming here is staggering, with thousands of acres dedicated to these sweet red berries. There's a good reason for that. California's unique combination of climate, geography, and innovation has made it the undisputed leader in strawberry production. But what exactly sets California apart from the rest? The state has cool, foggy mornings and sunny afternoons, just what strawberries need. This daily weather pattern helps strawberries ripen slowly, developing their signature sweetness and vibrant color. The gentle morning fog protects the delicate berries from harsh sunlight, while the afternoon sun gives them the warmth they need to grow. Some of the best strawberry regions are along the coast, places like Watsonville, Santa Maria, and Oxnard. These areas are famous for their ideal growing conditions, and generations of farmers have perfected the art of cultivating strawberries here. The proximity to the ocean means temperatures stay moderate, and the air is always fresh and moist. The Pacific Ocean keeps the weather mild, even in summer. While other parts of the country might experience heat waves or cold snaps, California's coastal regions enjoy a steady, temperate climate. This consistency is crucial for producing high-quality strawberries month after month. This climate means strawberries can grow almost year-round. Unlike most states where strawberries are a fleeting spring treat, California farmers can plant, nurture, and harvest strawberries in nearly every season. This extended growing window means a constant supply of fresh berries for consumers. While other states battle harsh winters or scorching summers, California farmers keep picking. Even when snow blankets fields elsewhere, California's strawberry farms are alive with activity. Workers harvest berries in both cool and warm months, ensuring the shelves stay stocked. The long growing season lets them plant and harvest several times a year. This means more strawberries per acre and fresher berries for everyone. Farmers can rotate crops, replant, and keep the fields productive almost non-stop. The land is perfect too. California's soil is rich and well-drained, providing the nutrients and structure strawberries need to thrive. Good drainage prevents root rot and helps the plants grow strong and healthy. The fields are flat, making them easy to plant and harvest. This allows for efficient use of machinery and labor, speeding up the process and keeping costs down. Flat land also helps with irrigation, ensuring every plant gets the water it needs. There's also a strong network of roads and ports, making it easy to ship strawberries across the country and around the world. California's infrastructure is built for agriculture, with highways, railways, and shipping ports all working together to move fresh berries quickly from field to table. All these factors make California the world's strawberry powerhouse. From the perfect climate and soil to advanced farming techniques and global shipping, California's strawberries are truly a product of nature and innovation working hand in hand. Next time you bite into a juicy strawberry, there's a good chance it came from here, the strawberry capital of the world. The journey of every strawberry begins long before the first seedling is planted. It all starts with the soil, the foundation for a healthy and productive crop. In California's fertile valleys, farmers know that preparing the land is the most important step for strawberry success. Before anything else, farmers carefully collect soil samples from different parts of the field. These samples are tested in labs to check for essential nutrients, pH levels, and the presence of any harmful pests or diseases. By understanding exactly what the soil needs, farmers can make precise adjustments to create the perfect environment for strawberries to thrive. To enrich the earth, they add compost, organic matter, or specialized fertilizers. This step is crucial because strawberries are hungry plants. They need plenty of nutrients to produce big, juicy berries. The added compost not only feeds the plants but also improves soil structure, helping it hold just the right amount of water and air. Next, the land is shaped into long, raised beds. These beds are carefully measured and spaced to allow for good drainage and airflow. Raised beds keep the roots dry and warm, even after heavy rains, which is especially important in regions where sudden downpours can threaten young plants. Once the beds are formed, workers cover them with thin sheets of black plastic mulch. This plastic acts like a protective blanket, trapping warmth in the soil and creating a cozy environment for the young strawberry plants. The mulch serves several important purposes. It blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, preventing them from sprouting and competing with the strawberries. It also helps the soil retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering, and keeps the berries clean by preventing mud from splashing onto them during rain. Small holes are then carefully poked into the plastic at regular intervals. Each hole marks the spot where a strawberry plant will be placed, ensuring that every plant has enough space to grow and access to sunlight. Underneath the plastic, farmers install drip irrigation tubing. This modern watering system delivers water directly to the roots, drop by drop, minimizing waste and keeping the leaves dry, which helps prevent disease. With the beds mulched and irrigation in place, the field is now perfectly prepared and ready for planting. Every detail has been carefully managed to give the new strawberry plants the best possible start. Each step in this process, from testing the soil to laying down mulch and installing irrigation, helps protect the strawberries and boosts their chances of growing strong, healthy, and sweet. This careful preparation is the secret behind every delicious California strawberry you enjoy. Strawberry plants don't start from seeds in the field. Farmers use sturdy young plants called transplants. These are grown in special nurseries, where they develop strong roots. Workers plant them by hand, placing each one in a hole in the plastic mulch. Spacing matters. Each plant needs room to spread its leaves and grow fruit. Too close, and they compete for light and nutrients. Too far apart, and the field doesn't produce enough berries. Soon, the plants send out green leaves. Tiny white flowers appear on many stems. Each flower is a promise of future strawberry. Farmers watch for these blooms, knowing that with the right care, a sea of red berries will soon follow. Strawberries need help to make fruit. That's where bees come in. As bees visit the flowers, they move pollen from one flower to another. This process is called pollination. Without it, the flowers won't grow into berries. Farmers often bring in beehives during the flowering period. Each hive can hold thousands of buzzing workers. The more bees, the more berries. Bees do their job quickly and efficiently, flying from blossom to blossom as the sun rises. Good pollination means full, shapely strawberries. Poor pollination can lead to odd or small berries. That's why bees are some of the hardest workers on the farm. Protecting bee health is essential for every strawberry harvest. Strawberries are thirsty plants. They also need steady nutrition to grow strong and sweet. California farmers use drip irrigation, a network of tubes along each bed. This system delivers water right to the plant roots with little waste. Along with water, farmers feed the plants using fertigation. This means they mix nutrients into the water so every drop delivers food. The main nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Sometimes they add minerals like calcium and magnesium. Drip systems are smart. Farmers can adjust water and nutrients for changing weather. This saves water, important during California's dry years. Well-fed, well-watered plants make the biggest, juiciest berries. Strawberries face many threats. Bugs like mites and beetles chew the leaves and fruit. Fungi and molds can rot berries and roots. Birds and squirrels love ripe strawberries as much as people do. Farmers use integrated pest management or IPM to protect their crops. They scout the fields for pests and use traps or natural enemies like ladybugs. Sometimes, they spray targeted treatments, but only when needed and always following safety rules. Weather can also be a problem. Too much rain causes disease. Sudden heat cooks the berries on the vine. Farmers use row covers, wind machines, or sprinklers to protect crops from frost or heat waves. Each strawberry is a survivor, cared for from day one. Strawberries ripen quickly and must be picked at just the right moment. The perfect berry is bright red, plump, and shiny. It hides no green or white tips. Pickers move down the rows, scanning each plant for the best fruit. Harvesting is tough work. Workers bend low all day, gently twisting each berry off the stem. They must be careful. Strawberries bruise easily. The same fields are picked again and again, since not all berries ripen at once. Timing is everything. If picked too soon, berries are tart. Too late, and they're too soft to ship. Skilled pickers make sure every berry is just right. Their hands are the last to touch the fruit until you open the box. After the strawberries are carefully picked at their peak ripeness, they are immediately transported in crates to specialized cooling stations. This rapid movement from the field to the cooling facility is crucial, as strawberries are highly perishable and can lose their freshness quickly if not handled properly. At the cooling station, the berries are quickly chilled to just above freezing temperatures. This process, known as pre-cooling, helps lock in their natural sweetness and vibrant color, preserving the delicate texture and flavor that make California strawberries so special. The cold air circulates around the fruit, slowing down spoilage and keeping them fresh for the journey ahead. Next, skilled workers carefully sort through the strawberries by hand. Each berry is inspected for quality, with damaged, bruised, or overripe fruit being set aside. Only the best strawberries, those that are plump, red, and perfectly ripe, make it through this rigorous quality control process. This attention to detail ensures that only premium fruit reaches consumers. The selected strawberries are then gently packed into clear plastic containers. Each package is labeled with important information, including where and when the berries were picked. These labels help trace the journey of the fruit from farm to table, giving consumers confidence in the freshness and origin of their strawberries. Once packed, the strawberries enter what's known as the cold chain, a continuous temperature-controlled supply line. The berries move along conveyor belts toward refrigerated trucks, where they are loaded onto cold storage pallets, ready for transport. Throughout their journey, from the farm to distribution centers and finally to grocery stores, the strawberries remain chilled. Refrigerated trucks, cold warehouses, and even supermarket displays all work together to maintain the perfect temperature, ensuring the berries stay sweet, juicy, and safe to eat. Fast, cool delivery is essential. By keeping the berries at just the right temperature every step of the way, growers and distributors protect the fruit's quality and extend its shelf life so you can enjoy strawberries that taste as fresh as the day they were picked. California strawberries don't just stay local. Some are shipped across the United States, reaching markets from coast to coast. Others travel even farther, crossing oceans by air and sea to delight strawberry lovers around the world. This global reach is made possible by careful planning and advanced logistics. But the journey from field to table isn't always easy. California's strawberry farms face significant challenges, including persistent drought, labor shortages, and the unpredictable effects of climate change. These obstacles threaten both the quantity and quality of the harvest. To overcome these hurdles, farmers are turning to technology. Drones now monitor crop health from above, sensors track soil moisture and weather conditions, and robots assist with harvesting and packing. Automated machinery in greenhouses helps optimize growing conditions, making strawberry farming more efficient and sustainable. Every strawberry you eat is the result of a unique blend of good land, hard work, and smart innovation. Behind each berry is a dedicated team of farmers, workers, and engineers, all striving to bring you the very best fruit while caring for the land and the future of farming. So, when you bite into a California strawberry, you're tasting more than just a sweet, juicy fruit. You're experiencing the future of agriculture, one that's fresh, hopeful, and full of promise for generations to come.